Hey YouTube fam, I'm Tanushri S. I am an educator by profession, but I also enjoy makeup, and I do have quite some pinks and reds and plum kind of colors in my collection. And I do love jet black liners and kajals and kohl pencils. So I do have some in my collection as well. And today I'm going to share with you a look which I had donned on for my friend's birthday. Pandemic hai, but then yeah, birthdays are birthdays, right? And she's a very special person. So I'm going to share the look without much ado. And I've already done my base. So I'm just going to begin off with the other part. And I'm going to begin with the brows first. That's the thumb rule. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to do my brows using this brow pomade from the House of Pack. I purchased this recently and I've come to like it a lot. So I'm just going to do my brows with this. Okay, but before that I'm going to use a spoolie, and this is from, okay, the name has almost disappeared, so let's forget about that. Anyway, let's prep the brows first. Okay, so we are good to go with the brows. I'm going to take a very small amount on my brush and begin not from here but from here, obviously. So let's go. I like my eyebrows a little bit thick, so to say. And that's how it basically looks like. So here I go. With the amount that's remaining, I'm just going to do the fun part of my brows. Okay, so we have almost come to the end of the brows. You can just use your fingers if you want to tap off a little bit of excess product here and there, right? And I'm done with my left brows. I'll do my right brows quickly. Now that my eyebrows are done, I'm just going to give it a very clean look using a concealer. That gives a very finished look, a very neat kind of look. On both the sides. It also helps in wiping off any excess product. Just the amount that you need. And we are sorted. So we're done with the brows. I'm going to move on next to my eyeshadow. Okay. Now one thing what I really like doing is I have more of a whitish kind of a shade which I use to highlight my brow bones. I use a brush with that. So I'll be using a whitish kind of shade from Maybelline Nudes. To give the brows a raised look. Need not go overboard, just this much is absolutely fine. Okay, so it highlights the eyebrow bones here. Okay, so we are done with the brows. All right, and next I'm going to go with the eyeshadow now. And since I won't be using an eyeshadow, to like accentuate it too much, so I'm just going to use the white eyeshadow once again to create a nice canvas for the eyeshadow to pop, for the liner to pop, sorry. And there we go. I'm going to use my finger. You can use your brush as well. I'm going to use this paddy part of the finger that gives a very convenient way to do it, right? So here we go. And since I'll be doing a dual tone liner look, so I really need this part of my eyes to be looking, to look rather to look bright and to help the liner pop out. Okay, so we're done with that. Next, I'm going to use two colors. The first color is going to be this Black from Sugar. It's in the shade Back to Black 01. Like I just said, I really love jet black liners and kajals, so I'm going to do my eyes with this. I'll begin with the left eye. And create a very soft, light flick, so to say. So I'm done with the black part. I'm going to move on to the blue part of the liner look. So I'm going to be using this pencil called Mystic Kajal in the shade Blue 03 from the brand Faces All Time Pro. It glides on really well and the color payoff is equally good. So here we go. And that's all about it. It's really easy. You can take a little bit more of it and accentuate the wing if you want to. I don't want to go OTT, so I'm just going to keep it over there. That's about it. Then I'm going to use mascara. Obviously you need it, right? So I'm going to use this mascara from Maybelline. It's called Alice and Olivia, right? And it's the hyper curl thing, so let's go all about it. You can see a clear difference between the two eyes, right? So here we go. Slightly here on the lower lashes as well. Okay. I'm going to move on to my right eye now. I'm going to go in the same manner with the blue liner on my right eye as well. The liner part is done now. I'm going to run my mascara once again on this part of my eyes as well. And a bit softly on the lower lash line. Also, I'm going to use a bit of white eyeshadow on the lower lash line. And here we go. It helps your eyes look bigger. Over here as well. The lower lash line is a place which needs attention and has a huge role to play when it comes to eye makeup. I've realized this over the years now. Okay, so we are done with the eye makeup, and now we're going to move on to the last but one of my most favorite parts, that is the lipstick. As you can see, I've already moisturized my lips, and I like this Nivea, the white one, because it gives you a very nice soft and very moisturized feeling, and also because it's it's the original one, it's white in color. It doesn't show up on your lipstick, so it's basically it's like basically kind of works behind the scenes, though doing its job perfectly well. Fine. I am going to get a tissue and just take off that extra balmy feeling from there. But before I use a lipstick, I always prefer using a concealer. I have the Maybelline concealer in the shade 40. Sorry about that. Okay. The reason why I use a concealer is because it helps your lipstick really pop out and look really bright and give a very nice finish. So let's go with this now. It looks a bit weird, but it really works. Use the blender. Done with that. Now I'm going to use a lipstick which is something I've fallen in love with recently, and this is from the brand NYX, and the shade is called Monte Carlo. It's not like too red or like dull. Just see for yourself. And the reason why I love this lipstick is the color, first of all, obviously the color, I mean the shade and the payoff and the texture. It's really smooth. It's not cakey, and even if after even after you wear it for long hours, it doesn't really peel off. That's one thing that really works for me. So yes, we are almost done with the look. I am going to change into the top. I'll see you in a while. So I've just changed into the top, and that is how it looks like. It's got some nice bell sleeves kind of thing. Yeah, I like that. Okay, and thoda sa baki hai, right? That is the earrings. Okay, so the earrings, I happen to purchase them locally, but I really like them, and I do like oxidized kind of stuff, heavy kind of stuff. So this is what I basically picked up. Okay, I'm going to show you the entire thing together. So I picked up this. I'm going to wear them right here. And the right side as well. So we are done with that. We are good to go, and you can see the earrings. I really love them. So that's about the birthday look. I hope you all liked it, and this was my first video, so no baggage. Do let me know if you guys like it, and I'll try and share the links in the description box. You can just go and check out the products on your own, for yourselves, for your friends and relatives. And this top I happened to buy on Nykaa. So sorry, I'm so sorry. I happened to buy this top from Myntra. I love shopping from Myntra and Nykaa. So yes, these are my go-tos. They're like my makeup and dress up base. So here, and this is me, Tanushree, signing off for today. I'm gonna see you some other time on another episode, and this is the happy birthday wala look. Okay, bye bye.